Hey guys, so today I'm doing a review on Puppy in My Pocket blind bags. I've never gotten these before, but I have a niece who really loves them, so I figured I would do a review on these. As you can see, here are some on the back. And I guess there's series, this is series 5. I actually have 2 of them here that I'm going to open. The bags are really easy to open. They have this little tab right here, so we're just going to peel that. And when I say blind bag, that means we have no clue which puppy we get. So first, I'm going to pull this paper out that came in here. And I guess it's the collector checklist. Oh, so it just unfolds and it shows you all the puppies that you can get. And I got, oh my gosh, look at him, that is so cute. Let's see, he is Charlie Great Dane. A little spotted Great Dane. I thought he was a Dalmatian at first. How cute. And these aren't like the Puppy in My Pockets from when I was a kid. These actually feel like soft velvet. He's got cute little eyes. Okay, let's open up the second one. There's really not much to these. There's nothing else in the pack. That was it. Okay, so number 2. And oh, look at this puppy. Their eyes look really real. And that one is Colleen the Irish Setter. That's this one. So I've got the Great Dane and Irish Setter.